Good morning everyone, there's a huge discount on the GoPro and GoPro accessories. If you don't want to spend tons of money on a GoPro, I will give you this discount. Look at it. Go to the GoPro.com site, find your country, because not every country is qualified for the discount. There's a lot of countries here. I will stay with Asia, Middle East, Europe. I will stay with America, greatest country, okay, whatever. And look at the discount here. With a 1 year subscription, GoPro subscription, you will get $100 discount on the latest GoPro. If you don't need the latest GoPro, maybe you need a GoPro Max. Look, still $100. Maybe you need GoPro 8, $50 less. Maybe you don't need a GoPro. Maybe you need only some gear. But if you need only gear, you need a subscription to get a discount. The subscription is also really good. Look, you will get unlimited cloud storage, 100% of your GoPro footage at 100% quality. That's important. No cropping. That's all you need. Total camera replacement. Get your GoPro replaced, no question asked. But I think that you need to pay them. You need to pay them $100, something like that. But if your GoPro costs $300, so it's still awesome. When you burn your GoPro, or I don't know what are you doing with your GoPro, but if your GoPro gets smashed, destroyed, burned, or whatever, they will replace it and they will give you a new one. It's insane. And of course, the best thing, which is up to 50% off at GoPro.com for all kinds of accessories and GoPro. Let me just hit the latest GoPro. Of course, you don't need to buy a latest GoPro. All you need to do is buy a subscription. But let me buy Hero 9 with the subscription. Or you can buy it with the bundle and a subscription. But let me hit the normal one. And like you can see, immediately I have a discount. Look. And I only pay $349.98, including 1 year of subscription. Bear in mind, subscription, it's a subscription. So after 1 year, they will charge you another $49.99. But you can cancel anytime and they will not charge you anything. So it's still way better than the buying in the normal store for $449. It's still cheaper. Insane. Now, when I add this to my cart, I can go back and then go to the accessories, and there's a huge discount on the accessories. Look. Maybe a microphone. Instead of $80, I will pay $55.99. Batteries, instead of $20, I will pay $14 instead of 20. 14. Insane discount. And you need those batteries. Definitely need those. But in the latest GoPro, the battery is bigger, so it's better. But still, you need those. Discount already. Maybe a charger. Look, huge discount. Huge. Let's see some more. GoPro Karma, only for $100. Come on. If you need GoPro Karma for $100, insane discount. All kinds of accessories. Look, instead of this is for car mount, yes, car mount. Suction cup. Instead of $40, you pay half, 50%, $20. And that's a half subscription, just like that. Okay, they have all kinds of different accessories and all kinds of discount. Folding replacement, instead of 20, 10, 50% off, just like that. Okay. You know what I mean. And if you are not in America, maybe you are in Europe, like United Kingdom, you will still have this huge discount. Look, instead of paying £329, £429, you will pay £100 less. £100 is a lot of money, friend. It's a huge discount, huge, and of course all the accessories will be in this discount. Maybe you are not in the United Kingdom. Maybe you are somewhere, I don't know, Middle East, Asia, Europe. I am here. Let's see the Europe. In Euro, still a huge discount. Instead of 479 euros, I will only pay 379. 100 euros less. And still with the accessories, still. Instead of 20 euros, I will pay 14 euros for the battery. Huge discount just for you. And so on, so on. Middle East and everything. Just go to the Gopro.com and you will save a lot of money, my friend. A lot of money. You can thank me later. Thanks for watching and goodbye. Remember, if you don't like the subscription, cancel it. You can cancel it anytime you want. But if you like it, just keep it and use it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Bye.